Hello everyone, welcome back to my New York vlog number 3, and I'm introducing this from the future of the vlog because I actually got ill on the last few days and I lost my voice completely by the journey home, so there isn't much of me talking in this vlog, but I wanted to introduce it anyway. I really hope you guys have been enjoying these vlogs. There is 2 other ones which I will link down below so you can go and watch those first, and we went to the Statue of Liberty in this vlog. We went to the 9/11 Memorial Grounds, which was so powerful. Like, I was really trying not to cry. It was probably the most emotional place that I've ever been in my life. And then we went to the Natural History Museum. I had so much fun, but yeah, I lost my voice, so I thought I'd introduce this. I hope you enjoy it. So I thought I'd do the super American thing and buy a snow cone. I don't know what flavour it is. Oh no, it's blue raspberry, lemon and strawberry. And we're just headed to go and get the ferry over to the Statue of Liberty. I bought myself along a Trek cocoa oat bar. These are literally my favourite and they have 9 grams of protein. So if you guys are ever needing like a protein snack, these are seriously so nice. So I've taken my glasses off just so I don't look so antisocial talking to you guys, but we're walking up to the Statue of Liberty and it smells like a beach here. It genuinely smells like the seaside, and we came out of the gift shop and we were like, where is she? Dun dun, just there. So I don't know how that happened. Tacky gifts acquired, and we are now saying goodbye to the Statue of Liberty. Bye bye. Went back to the hotel and I did a bit of an outfit change because it's been a full-on hot day today. So I've got a jacket on, just a Primark top, and we've come out for a very eagerly anticipated Chipotle. I'm so hungry right now. I literally, the smell. This is literally huge and I can't wait. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Does anyone else feel my pain when you come into Sephora and it's like so many swatches? But I picked up a really nice lip colour, so I hope my sister likes this for her birthday. It's the Tarte colour Namaste, and it's their lip paint, and it's the first colour you can see just here. Really pretty. I've never heard of Bite Beauty before, but they have these Amuse Bouche lipsticks, and they're made with 12 edible oils, which I think is so cool. I'm gonna see if any of these are nice. That colour pepper is so pretty. Guys, these have really good pigmentation as well, and they smell like citrus. I think I'm gonna have to treat myself to one. I really like the colour meringue. Look at how busy it is. That is actually mad. We're just sat on the steps at the moment. I've got my little Sephora bag, and we're just about to go and find a bar, but have to walk through all of these people. Good morning, New York, for the very last time. Guys, the cakes in Carlo's are insane. Let me go round. Oh my goodness. So they've got a beach one, these are so nice. These are like ice creams, loads of ice creams, and then unicorn cakes, and then funfetti. Just look at all of these cakes. I think they're making cannolis. They look really, really, really good. I'm gonna keep zooming because I'm hungry. I've been walking past this building every day and didn't notice that it was the New York Times building. So I need to open my eyes clearly. We found the Flatiron Building, or as Ross keeps calling it, the Ironworks building.
Can't help it.
So we have reached the Ironworks, no, Flatiron Building. I'm doing it now, which is just behind me. Rude. And we're just going to take a really leisurely stroll back to our hotel. We are checking out, which is quite sad, it's our last day. And then we're going to the Natural History Museum, which I'm actually really, really excited about. And then going home, and I'm gonna miss this heat. I'm gonna miss the gigantic Starbucks, and yeah, but we do need to get moving so then. After about 45 minutes walking, we have finally arrived, and this is so like the night at the museum. So we've made it into the Natural History Museum. There was a bit of a queue, and we did actually end up going into the wrong museum before we actually got here. But now we are here, and we're trying to find where the dinosaurs are because, yeah, we're both big geeks. I can't tell whether on camera I look a little bit sunburned, but I actually am a tiny bit sunburned, which is really unusual for me because I don't really burn that easily. I usually tan, so I'm a little bit pink today. I don't know if you can see, and it's just where my bardo is. Jump and look for the signal on the seismograph in front of you. Okay then, Ross, give it a go. Oh my goodness! Ow, I really hurt my feet. You made an actual earthquake happen. This might sound like a really weird thing to say, but I really wish there was something like Jurassic Park in real life, so that dinosaurs could like be there, you can see them, do you know what I mean? It's such a shame, obviously without all of the like death and destruction, but it would still be really cool. So we've just popped into the dino store and I found these Geode Coasters. Now in anthropology, I've been having my eye on these for ages. They're a bit more expensive. In here, they're only $6.99. That is such a good price, so that will make a really cute gift for my mum. And I also just really like this. I think that's beautiful, so I'm gonna get these. They have these machines all over the city and they're only 51 cents to get these kind of novelty coins. So I'm gonna get that one for me and that one for my sister. Just like that, she is home, unfortunately. I honestly had the best time. I had the best holiday ever in New York. It was my first time in the States and it was amazing. Everything and more that I could have wished for. I met some amazing people on the trip. Ross, if you're watching, my travel buddy, I honestly cannot thank you enough for looking after me every day, for making me laugh every single day. You know how annoying you were when you went past the storm drains. He would go past storm drains every day. You know, those kind of like drains in the road and do Pennywise impressions, and it drove me nuts. But I seriously had an amazing time, so thank you. I feel like I've overcome my fear of flying as well. I was so incredibly nervous before we went, like, to fly, and as soon as I did the flight, I was fine. So I hope in the future there are many more places that I can bring you guys, and I just want to travel. I want to get out and see the world, so there's nothing holding me back now. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you guys haven't seen the other 2 videos, I will of course link them down below. Please go and watch them. They are just full of great memories and fun times. And yeah, I really hope there is another holiday to bring you guys on very soon. And let me know down in the comments if you guys are going on any holidays either. I would love to know if there's anywhere like you recommend me going, or even like restaurants to try in London or somewhere like that. I do really want to go to Edinburgh next, so fingers crossed that is very soon. And I hope to see you guys in another video very soon as well. Bye everyone.